Use a tile leveling system to eliminate lippage and achieve a flat bathroom floor. Start by planning your layout and spread thinset mortar with a notched trowel sized to your tile dimensions so each tile seats fully. Set plastic clips under tiles at the edges as you place each tile, making sure the clip legs are aligned with grout joints and the tiles are pressed down until you feel consistent resistance. Slide tapered wedges into the clip openings on both sides of each tile pair and gently tap the wedge with a rubber mallet or push by hand until the two tiles are flush at the surface. Work in small sections so the thinset does not skin over, and check frequently with a straight edge across multiple tiles to confirm flatness. After the thinset cures for the time recommended by the adhesive manufacturer, remove wedges and clips by kicking, twisting, or using pliers so you break the clip off at the substrate level without disturbing the joint profile. Clean any excess adhesive from the joints before grouting and allow the full recommended cure time before walking on the floor or applying sealers. Common mistakes include setting tiles with inconsistent mortar coverage, which causes hollow spots and uneven seating, so backbutter large format tiles and comb mortar in one direction for even contact. Another frequent issue is over-tightening wedges, which can bow tiles or squeeze out too much mortar, so apply gradual pressure and check with a level rather than driving wedges to maximum force. People also forget to remove clips and wedges at the right time or break them improperly, which can lift a tile, so wait for the adhesive cure window and snap clips cleanly at the base or use the manufacturer recommended removal method. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover local contractors by location and specialty, so we connect people who need tile work with professionals in their area. We also provide a discussion community where we and our members share installation tips, tool recommendations, and real project experiences so contractors can find work and homeowners can get practical advice.